Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can fix that issue when you cannot connect AirPods Pro 3 into your Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, I will start from inputting both AirPods into the charging case. And right now you will have to close this case, wait until indicator disappear. Now you will have to open it and quick tapping right here on this indicator until it will turns red, just like this. Now we just successfully perform the reset, and now they goes into the pairing mode automatically. Now close this case, and I will highly recommend you to open the settings on your device. As you can see, in my case, I was successfully connected, but we have to just simply turn off Bluetooth on our device, and you will have to open the case and take a look if this light is blinking white. If it is not, you will have to double tap here to enter for the pairing mode manually. Now you will have to turn on the Bluetooth one more time on your Android device, take a look for available devices list and pick up AirPods Pro 3 from the list. Just be patient and wait for the connection process. It will take a few moments. There we go. If it is still not working, then I can also recommend you to search for some reset options on your Android device. And you can try to reset the Bluetooth settings by clicking here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.